Adios, Madrid. We are out of here. Let's hit the airport. Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. All right, we made it to the airport. Wouldn't you guys love to know where we're going next? Don't worry, everybody. You'll find out when we get there. This is actually like a real dream trip. I never ever in my wildest dreams thought that we would ever get to go here. And it's actually a movie that brought me to where we're gonna go next. And as you can see, there are a ton of options. Bucharest, Pisa. Huh, where are we gonna go? All right, here we go. Well, we landed. We are here. Welcome to Malta. Well, here's where I'm staying tonight. Point de Vue. Holy moly. Nice. Well, let's find the check-in. Okay. So that's my room right there. And my sitting area right outside my room. Nice room. My first night here, I'm staying in a town called Rabat near Medina. All right, gang, so here's the deal with Malta. You're probably thinking, why Malta? What the heck? Where's Malta? Malta is an island below Sicily in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea, and it's got a great history. In fact, on an island right to the side of us, and I'm gonna try and get there and hopefully get to see it, they have the oldest man-made structures to date. They have things in Malta that predate the Egyptian pyramids. They don't know how some of these things were built. Underground temples that the stones were too perfectly shaped and too heavy for anyone to lift, and it was before they had the kind of equipment to do it. So there's a lot of speculation as to how that happened. But what's bringing me to Malta is I'm a fan of the Robin Williams Popeye movie, and they filmed it on a village here, and they turned it in when they left the filming and everything. They basically just left it all set up, and they've turned it into an amusement park here. So I'm really excited to see that. We'll probably do that tomorrow and just explore Malta for a few days and see what it's all about. I've always heard of this place, just never ever thought I'd get here, so we're gonna explore it together. It's raining outside right now, but I'd still like to see some stuff, so let's roam around. A little hazy because of the rain today, but still a beautiful view. And you can probably tell by just looking at what I've shown you already, it's a fortified island. So that over there is the Medina gate, and that's where we're gonna head into right now. Perfect timing. Here we go. Oh man, what beautiful architecture. Oh my God. You guys have met my friend Kevin. I told him I was coming here and he goes, "You had to, didn't you, man? The only place in the world I wanted to go to before you, and you had to go first." This is the Medina Dungeons Museum. We might check this out. I'm not sure. I've done these kind of things before in Mexico, so we'll see. I get a feeling this guy will be pretty angry if we don't. See the cannons over there? Let's go in here and take a look. Wow. That's their symbol. He seems to know where he's going. Let's follow him. Don't follow me, I'm lost too. Beautiful. We're gonna have to go look in there. Look at all the color. Since this is St. Paul's Square, that must be St. Paul's Church. That's beautiful. This whole area of Medina is just like one photo op after another, isn't it? And take a look around. What do you say, guys? I want to go in the Cathedral Museum. I just want to look at the building. I want to go in the cathedral itself. The amazing history there is here. The Knights of Malta is some of the most interesting. We're starting in the museum, looking at the 12 apostles. the old organ here. Signal bell from 1747. It says that this one's dated 1451 in Gothic Roman numerals. That's like the Malta symbol, or the Knights of Malta. Look at these old swords. They actually have the case upside down, so all the writing's upside down, but this first one over here says 1691. Let's go in the cathedral. Oh, wow. Now they said this had one of the most intricate floors, and to make sure you checked out the floors. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Take a look at that one. Keep your eyes peeled for a Maltese falcon, guys. Isn't that pretty? Looks like we have some good view sites over here. Let's check it out. This section over here has my name on it. Boy, does it ever. Well, they apparently have some catacombs here called St. Paul's Catacombs, so I want to see if I can check those out before they close for the day. I could walk down these little alleyways all day. I love this kind of stuff. So I decided to pop over here and check out this experience. Only $6.50. Sorry, they gave us audio guide, so it's hard for me to translate this for you. Now let's see if we can make it to St. Paul's Catacombs. So now we're back at the Medina gate and we're gonna head out to find the catacombs. There we go for some romanticism. How awesome is this? Now they may turn us away because when we get there, we're only gonna have 30 minutes before they close, so they very well may say, You can see all those light bulbs on this church. I bet at nighttime it just looks incredible. Look at that up there. Oh, nice. Oh, I see a sign up here for the catacombs. We're close. Fingers crossed, everyone. By God, we did it. They said if I would have got here 2 minutes later, they wouldn't have sold me a ticket, so we got to rush. Okay, let's try this one. Catacombs 6. Let's see what's down here. Oh, you can see like carvings and stuff over there. Looks like tools on the wall. You see that? They literally just made an announcement saying you had 20 minutes to go across the street and see the bigger catacombs. Tried to go over there and they were locking the gate. Then I tried to come over here and they didn't want to let me back in because my ticket had already been scanned and it's all the same place. Golly. Let's go check out this one over here. Well, they are catacombs, but they're definitely not like the ones in Paris. Ones in Paris, you see skulls and bones and everything all over the place. These were more like underground storage areas. Whoa. Okay, these could have been graves at one point, who knows? Now let's check out this one. Wow, they got a whole walk center down here. Let's explore a little then. I wouldn't recommend this for bigger people, that's for sure. Ceilings are rather small down here. Let's see if we can't get this one into. There's number 2. try this one. Wow. I think I'm pretty much let down by the Catacombs experience here today. I don't know if that was maybe a well. Let's do one more. It says points of interest, a hidden table. Okay. Hidden table. I don't really see any hidden tables. Unless that's supposed to be it. That might be it. Looks like these would have been primitive tools they would have used to make those. And you can see that matches this that they found. And these structures kind of explain what each style of tomb would have been. And then down here they have some visual examples, kind of like what we just saw. The catacombs close at 5. It's 10 minutes till 5, and they're literally walking around throwing everybody out. I totally do not recommend this experience at all. All right, I haven't even eaten lunch yet, or breakfast, so let's go get some food. Let's see what some traditional Maltese cakes look like. Marzipan? Oh yeah, I love marzipan. Let's get some, let's get some. Oh, this looks good. Puff pastry, I'm gonna go with that one. I got 2 pastries. I got 2 different types of cannolis that they make here. Man, look at that beauty. Yeah, pretty good. What do you think the chances are tomorrow when we go to Popeye's Village of them having a Robin Williams statue? God, I love the architecture here. All right, we made it back. They said if I eat here, I get 20% off my meal for staying here, so let's try it here. I am wiped out now. All right, well, I just placed my order and I'm gonna get something called Maltese pasta and bruschetta. There's my appetizer, bruschetta, my coffee. Food's really good, but it dawned on me I ordered pasta as well, and I got a coffee to kind of wake me up. It probably didn't do me good to order a full bread appetizer and then pasta after. That looks incredible. Goat cheese sausage from Malta. Olives, look at that. It is good, but I am full. Taking the rest of this to my room. Well, Lionhearts, day 1 in Malta is done. Tomorrow we'll take off from Medina, and we are definitely going to Popeye's Village. So come back and see me tomorrow. I know you'll love it. Thank you, Ann Santos, Ralph Alessandra, and Jeffrey Kidd for making contributions to my channel. Come back and see me tomorrow. Have a great night, and goodbye.